sharper picture, I should say.
You're bidding on a 45 Knaack box. We're going to start from the open position on this one. You want to articulate the drawers. Pretty good. Got nice rollers. It's a pretty nice toolbox workbench. This has got, oh, there's no lock in that. You have to buy the lock. They're readily available from Master or from Knaack. It's got some flea bites on it, but you're not paying for flea bites. If you want a nice roll-around toolbox workbench, this is your guy. It's priced right. This thing here is about over $2,000 to go and buy it. So you can look it up. Pretty nice unit. You can see the flaws in it, but it's all functioning. Good luck bidding.